नमस्ते फ्रेन्ड्स, तपाईहरुको लागि आज नयाँ टपिकमा भिडियो बनाएर लिएर आएको छ। आजको टपिक हो कोरोना भाइरस रिलेटेड एमसीक्यू क्वेसन। कोरोना भाइरस तपाईहरुलाई थाहै छ कतिको महामारी फैलिरहेछ अहिले हैन, अहिलेको सिचुएसनमा। त्यही भएर कोरोना भाइरसबाट एक्जाम यदि भयो भने चाहिँ कोरोना भाइरसबाट सोध्न सक्ने सम्भावना धेरै नै हुन्छ हैन, धेरै नै छ। त्यही भएर मैले आजको भिडियोमा 10वटा एमसीक्यू क्वेसन कोरोना रिलेटेड लिएर आएको छु। प्लिज तपाईहरुले फुल भिडियो हेरिदिनु हुनेछ आशा गर्दछु। अब क्वेसनतिर जाम। क्वेसन नम्बर 1 मा छ, which of the following is an unusual feature of the replication cycle in coronavirus? राइट एन्सर तपाईहरुले आफै मनमा नै चुज गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ हैन, अलिकति टाइम हुन्छ तपाईहरुको लागि। राइट एन्सर हो ए, the RNA all terminate in a common 3 and produce nested seed transcript. एक्सप्लेनेसन पनि आजको भिडियोमा गरेको छौं, सबै प्रत्येक एन्सरको एक्सप्लेनेसनमा छ, the 8 coronavirus subgenomic mRNAs all terminate at the common tree end of the genome but start at various places from the 5 end to produce a nested set of 3 co-terminal transcripts. The RNA is highly mutable and recombination occur but not to high frequency. अब क्वेसन नम्बर 2 मा छ, which of the following coronavirus has caused thousands of deaths around the world as an emerging virus? Right answer हो B, SARS. Explanation मा छ, although MERS, OC43 and HKU1 can cause mortality, SARS hold the record at present with 800 or so deaths in the 2002 outbreak. Question number 3 मा छ, describe the coronavirus structure. इसको राइट एन्सर हो ए, क्लब शेप glycoprotein spike protruded through a lipid bilayer. Explanation मा छ, 3 glycoproteins protrude through the membrane and the virus is polymorphic but there are no hint of an icosahedron or box-like viral morphology. Question number 4 मा छ, SARS is described as zoonotic virus. What does this mean? Right answer हो C. They emerge from animals to cross the species barrier infrequently. Explanation मा छ, the emergence of viruses can be complex and although at first sight the severe cat was blamed, the ultimate reservoir for SARS is a bat in Asia. A pandemic implies rapid global spread and this has not been a future to date. Question number 5 मा छ, MERS has 4 special characteristics and here we have one exception, which it is. Right answer हो A, spread by fecal oral route. Explanation मा छ, this is a rather quickly question but the virus is spread by droplet, has a reservoir in cave bats and reaches us by the domestic camel. As far as we know the fecal oral route is unimportant. Question number 6 मा छ, which of the following statement are correct about favipiravir? इसको आंसर हो D, all the above are correct. Option A मा छ, favipiravir is an antiviral COVID-19 drug. Option B मा छ, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals under the brand name Fabiflu has launched an antiviral drug favipiravir. अप्सन सी मा छ इट इज इन्डियन फर्स्ट COVID-19 drug launched priced at रु 103 per tablet. Explanation मा छ Favipiravir is an antiviral COVID-19 drug. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, under the brand name Feviplu, has launched an antiviral drug, Favipiravir. It is Indian first COVID-19 drug launched, priced at Rs 103 per tablet. Question number 7 मा छ how many countries, area or territories are suffer from novel coronavirus outbreak in the world? Correct answer would be more than 200. Explanation मा छ according to WHO, around 260 countries, area or territories are suffer from novel coronavirus or COVID-19 outbreak in the world till 11 June 2020. Question number 8 मा छ Thailand announced that it has proceeds to test its novel coronavirus vaccine on which animal or bird? Correct answer हो A, monkey. Explanation मा छ after seeing positive results on mice, now Thailand announced that it has proceeds to test its novel coronavirus vaccine on monkey. The vaccine used messenger RNA mRNA technology to weaken the strain of the virus and process antigen to fight with the virus from the root. Question number 9. Question 9 मा छ in a study which cells are found in COVID-19 patient body well for long-term immunity. Correct answer हो C, T cell. Explanation मा छ the T cell are known as immune barrier who help us fight some viruses, but their importance for batting SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, has been unclear. Research is going on, and maybe it can be fruitful. Question number 10 मा छ from where coronavirus got its name? Answer हो A, due to their claw-like projection. Explanation मा छ due to their claw-like projection on the surface, coronavirus got their name. The virus resemble a crown when viewed under an electron microscope. Corona in Latin means halo or crown. Question number 11 मा छ what are the precautions that need to be taken to protect from the coronavirus? The right answer हो A, cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze. Explanation मा छ according to WHO, a person can take precaution by covering the nose and mouth while sneezing by tissue or an inhale, then immediately throw the tissue into a closed dustbin. तपाईहरुलाई कस्तो लाग्यो आजको क्वेसन? यति नै 11 वटा लिएर आएको थिएँ हैन, तपाईहरुलाई भनिसकेको छु हैन। कस्तो लाग्यो तपाईहरुको सल्लाह सुझाव प्लिज कमेन्टमा लेखिदिनु होला। नेक्स्ट भिडियोको लागि म प्रिपेयर गर्छु। नेक्स्ट भिडियोमा कोरोना भाइरसकै अब्जेक्टिभ लिएर आउने छु हैन। र अर्को भिडियो पनि हेरिदिनु होला। आशा छ यो भिडियो पनि फुल हेरिदिनु भयो होला हैन। अनि लास्टमा प्लिज हाम्रो च्यानललाई शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला ताकि म यस्तै नयाँ भिडियो बनाएर तपाईहरुको सामुमा ल्याएर तपाईँहरू पनि हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ र अरू साथीहरूले पनि हेर्न पाउनुहुनेछ भनेर आशा गर्दछु होइन। लास्टमा सेयर गरिदिनु होला। थ्याङ्क यू फर वाचिङ माई फुल भिडियो होइन। सब्सक्राइब टु माई युट्युब च्यानल। थ्याङ्क यू।